Yo, real talk. What if I told you that in just 3 minutes you could make any girl feel more connected to you than guys who've known her for years? No. Pickup lines, no rehearsed compliments, no fake confidence, just three simple shifts that most dudes will never figure out. And here's the wild part, it's got nothing to do with your looks, your money, or how funny you are. Stick with me till the end because the last part is what most people get completely wrong, and it might be the reason your friendships feel surface level, right? Now, here's what nobody talks about. Connection is not built through perfection. It's not your jawline. It's not your drip. It's not even your words. It's your presence. Most guys walk into a conversation already thinking about what they're going to say next, already distracted, already performing. And she feels that. Trust me, she feels it. But when you show up and you're fully there, phone down, eyes locked in, body language, saying, you're the only person in this room right now. That is rare, and rare is magnetic. Presence is the foundation of all trust. It's not a trick, it's not a technique, it's a choice. And it starts the second you decide she matters. Right now, hey, if this is already hitting different, smash that subscribe button right now. We drop content like this every week that'll level up how you connect with people for real. Don't sleep on it. Hit subscribe and let's keep going. The first minute is all about presence, and it's simpler than you think. Put the phone away, not face down on the table, away. Make eye contact, not creepy, intense staring, but warm, focused. I'm listening eye contact. Let your body say what your mouth doesn't have to. Lean in slightly, uncross your arms, nod when she speaks. You know what that communicates without a single word? I see you. In a world where everybody's half scrolling through their feed during a conversation, that hits different. That builds trust faster than anything you could ever say. Okay. Minute two is where most guys completely fumble. They think connection means talking more, sharing more, being more entertaining. Nah, flip it. Connection happens when you listen the best, not when you talk the most. Ask her something real, not how was your day. That's autopilot. Ask her what's been on your mind lately. What's something that's been inspiring you? Simple words, but they open deep doors. And then, and this is critical, shut up and actually listen. Don't wait for your turn to speak. Don't one-up her story. Don't redirect it back to yourself. Hold space. Let her go there. When a woman feels like you're genuinely curious about her inner world, not just her appearance, not just surface stuff, she opens up every single time. Curiosity isn't just a conversation skill. It's love in motion. Yo, real quick, if you're learning something valuable right now, subscribe to the channel. We're building a community of people who actually want to connect deeper, communicate better, and show up as their best selves. Hit that subscribe button. It literally takes 2 seconds. Back to it. Minute three. And this one right here is the game changer. Authenticity. Here's the hard truth. People aren't drawn to perfection. They're drawn to honesty. You don't need the perfect response. You don't need to have it all figured out. When something she says actually moves you, say it. When you don't know something, admit it. When you're nervous, own it. Vulnerability isn't weakness. It's strength under control. It takes way more courage to say, this is me, real and unfiltered, than to walk around performing a version of yourself you think people want to see. And here's what happens when you drop the mask. She drops hers too. That's when the conversation stops being a conversation and starts being a connection. That's when friendship transforms into something that actually means something. You can spend 3 hours with someone and never reach their heart. Or you can spend 3 minutes with full presence, genuine curiosity, and raw authenticity, and leave an imprint that lasts for years. The soul doesn't respond to more, it responds to real. Notice the small things, the tone in her voice, the way her eyes light up when she talks about something she loves, the pause between her words. That's where connection actually lives. Most people are so busy being interesting they forget to be interested. Flip that and watch how everything changes. So here's the bottom line. Presence. Show up fully. Phone down, eyes up, mind still. Curiosity. Ask real questions. Listen without an agenda. Authenticity. Drop the performance. Be human. That's it. 3 minutes, 3 shifts. But they require something most people aren't willing to give. Genuine attention. In a world that feels more disconnected every single day, your presence can be the calm in someone's chaos. Your curiosity can be the doorway to real understanding. And your authenticity, That's the invitation to trust. Don't underestimate what 3 real minutes can do. Because sometimes the most powerful thing you can offer another person isn't a perfect line. It's just you fully present, fully real, and that changes everything. If this video spoke to you, you already know what to do. Subscribe. Drop a comment below telling me which of the three, presence, curiosity, or authenticity, and you struggle with the most. I read every single one. See you in the next one. Let's go.